5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. India is becoming a manufacturing hub, a transformation driven by a combination of strategic planning, economic shifts, and an evolving global landscape. This shift marks a pivotal moment in the country's journey toward becoming a key player in global supply chains. It is not just a matter of producing more goods, it reflects deeper structural changes in the economy, improved infrastructure, greater ease of doing business, and a growing pool of skilled labor. One of the most significant factors in this transformation is the sheer size and potential of the domestic market. With a large population and a rising middle class, demand for a wide range of products has increased sharply. From consumer goods to automobiles and electronics, the local appetite is pushing companies to set up production facilities closer to where the demand lies. This local consumption acts as both a testing ground and a launchpad for manufacturers aiming to scale up and reach international markets. Another important driver is the availability of a young and increasingly skilled workforce. Educational institutions, vocational training centers, and industry collaborations are creating a talent pool capable of meeting the needs of modern manufacturing. From assembly lines to high-tech fabrication, the workforce is learning to adapt to advanced processes and quality standards. This shift in labor dynamics is making the manufacturing sector more competitive and capable of delivering complex products with consistency and efficiency. The regulatory environment has also improved significantly over time. Simplified procedures, digitized clearances, and efforts to reduce red tape have made it easier for companies to start and expand manufacturing operations. The focus on creating a business-friendly ecosystem is paying off as more investors and global firms consider the country a viable destination for production. Improvements in legal frameworks, tax systems, and dispute resolution mechanisms are building confidence among domestic and international stakeholders. Infrastructure development plays a key role in enabling manufacturing growth. Modern industrial corridors, upgraded ports, enhanced road and rail networks, and better logistics facilities are all making it easier to move raw materials and finished goods. Efficient connectivity reduces costs, shortens delivery times, and improves coordination across the supply chain. Additionally, investment in power generation and renewable energy sources is helping ensure that manufacturing units have reliable and sustainable access to energy. Technology adoption is another pillar of this transformation. Manufacturers are increasingly embracing automation, data analytics, robotics, and smart factory systems. This tech-enabled approach not only enhances productivity, but also ensures better quality control and traceability. Local firms are learning to integrate global standards into their processes, which in turn makes their products more acceptable in international markets. Innovation is becoming a central theme in the manufacturing journey as companies invest in research and development to create unique solutions. The global business environment is also contributing to this shift. Many multinational companies are looking to diversify their supply chains to reduce overdependence on any single country. This has created an opportunity for emerging economies to position themselves as alternatives. In this context, India offers several advantages such as political stability and English-speaking workforce, and a well-established legal system. As firms look to de-risk and decentralize, the country is emerging as an attractive destination for new manufacturing investments. Sectoral diversification within manufacturing is another positive trend. Traditionally known for textiles and basic engineering, the country is now seeing growth in high-value sectors such as electronics, aerospace components, medical devices, and precision engineering. The automotive sector is expanding into electric vehicles, battery production, and smart mobility solutions. The presence of research and innovation hubs is helping to bridge the gap between design and production, encouraging the creation of entire ecosystems around key industries. Export performance is gradually reflecting these changes. Manufactured goods now make up a significant share of exports, signaling the country's growing competitiveness. Whether it is machinery, chemicals, consumer electronics, or pharmaceutical products, global buyers are increasingly recognizing the quality and cost-effectiveness of goods produced here. Trade agreements and strategic partnerships are helping to open up new markets, further boosting the appeal of Indian manufacturing. Small and medium enterprises are playing a crucial role in this landscape. These businesses often serve as suppliers and subcontractors to larger firms, creating a web of production that supports both domestic and export-oriented manufacturing. Many of these enterprises are adopting digital tools, upgrading their capabilities, and becoming more integrated with global supply networks. Their flexibility and responsiveness make them vital contributors to the broader manufacturing ecosystem. Sustainability is gradually becoming a part of the manufacturing conversation. Companies are exploring ways to reduce waste, recycle materials, and lower their carbon footprint. Eco-friendly practices are being encouraged not only by regulations but also by changing consumer expectations and international standards. As global buyers place more emphasis on environmental compliance, Indian manufacturers are adapting to remain competitive. Skill development remains a central challenge and opportunity. While progress has been made in training programs and industry academic partnerships, the demand for technically skilled workers continues to grow. Bridging this gap will be essential to sustaining manufacturing growth. Continuous learning, digital literacy, and hands-on experience are being emphasized to prepare the workforce for the demands of next-generation manufacturing. Investment in automation and advanced manufacturing technologies is also creating new types of jobs. While some traditional roles may decline, others are emerging that require analytical thinking, machine operation skills, and software knowledge. This evolving job market calls for a balanced approach that includes both upskilling and the creation of new employment pathways. Local consumption continues to support the expansion of manufacturing. Consumers are increasingly favoring domestically produced goods, driven by factors such as price, availability, and national pride. This trend boosts demand and encourages producers to enhance quality and innovate. It also helps build brand identity and customer loyalty in a highly competitive environment. Innovation clusters and special industrial zones are acting as magnets for investment and collaboration. These areas concentrate talent, capital, and infrastructure in ways that accelerate manufacturing activity. Partnerships between industry and academic institutions are helping to solve real-world challenges and create commercially viable solutions. Stop.